Good morning, students. Before this, we have discussed about the human-made resources as well as the human resources. Now, conservation of resources. All resources should be used very carefully and wisely. All the resources which are present onto the earth, that should be used very carefully as well as wisely. While using the resources, we must give them time to be renewed. When we are using any resource, we must give enough time so that that resource should be renewed. If we are not careful, then renewable resources will become scarce and will get exhausted. If we are not careful, then renewable resources will become very less, and one day it will be exhausted. For example, petroleum is a fossil fuel which is formed by the remains of plants and animals which were buried under the earth for millions of years. As we are knowing, petroleum is a fossil fuel, and petroleum is formed by the remains of the plants and the animals which were buried under the earth for millions of the years. The heat and pressure converted them to petroleum. And when these remains of the plants and animals got enough heat and pressure, then they convert into the petroleum. Petroleum is an important resource for means of transport and industries. For the purpose of the transport as well as for the industries, petroleum is a very important resource. Due to industrialization, its consumption has gone up manifold, so it is likely to be exhausted soon if not controlled and used wisely. Because of the industrialization, its consumption has boomed up, or we are using it on a larger quantity, and if it will be like that, then very soon it will be exhausted. In the future, without petroleum, the industries will close down and means of transport will be affected and life will almost come to a standstill. So to avoid this situation, we need to conserve the resources. And if we will not use the petroleum products wisely, then it will come to an end. And when petroleum will come to an end, industries will close down, means of the transport will be affected, and as a result of it, life will be affected, or we can say life will be stand or constant. So to avoid such type of situation, we should conserve the resources. Now, rainwater harvesting, I hope that you all are knowing about it. One of the easiest ways to recharge groundwater is by implementing rainwater harvesting. So it is the easiest way to restore the groundwater once again. It is a process by which the rainwater is collected and sent underground to recharge groundwater. In this rainwater harvesting process, rainwater is collected and it is further sent to the underground so that it can increase the amount of the underground water. It should be implemented in all residences with any type of roof and shopping complex, railway stations, bus terminals, schools, flyovers and government buildings including temples, churches, mosques, etc. So, such type of rainwater harvesting technique should be implemented or should be used in all the residences with any type of the roof, in the shopping complex, in the railway station, on the bus terminal, schools, flyovers, government buildings, as well as the temples, mosques and the